Upgrading your windows can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. If you're a homeowner in Redmond, Washington, you may be weighing the option of installing new windows yourself or hiring a professional. While the idea of a DIY window installation might seem cost-effective and rewarding, there are important factors to consider before making this decision. Understanding the differences between DIY and professional window installation can help you choose the best option for your home, budget, and peace of mind. Here's what you need to know about DIY versus professional window installation in Redmond. Complexity of window installation. Window installation is more than just fitting a new window into an opening. It requires precise measurements, removal of old windows, preparation of the frame, proper insulation, weatherproofing, and secure fastening. Mistakes in any of these steps can lead to drafts, water leaks, or structural issues. DIY installations are feasible for those with advanced carpentry skills and experience with home renovations. However, many homeowners underestimate the complexity of the task. Professional installers bring specialized training, tools, and experience to handle all aspects of the job efficiently and correctly. In Redmond, where weather conditions can include heavy rain and temperature swings, proper installation is critical to ensure your windows provide optimal protection and performance. Time and effort required. Window replacement is a labor-intensive project. Removing old windows without damaging your home, preparing the rough opening, installing the new window, sealing, and finishing requires significant time and effort. DIY installations can take several days or even weeks, especially if you are learning as you go. This time commitment can disrupt your daily routine and cause frustration if problems arise. Professional installers typically complete window replacement quickly and efficiently, often finishing multiple windows in a day. They minimize disruption to your household and handle cleanup, saving you valuable time and stress. Ensuring energy efficiency and proper sealing. One of the primary reasons for window replacement is improved energy efficiency. However, even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they are not installed properly. Improper sealing or insulation around windows can cause drafts, moisture intrusion, and heat loss, negating the benefits of your new windows. Professionals use proven techniques and high-quality materials such as flashing, weatherproof barriers, and spray foam insulation to create a tight seal. DIY installers may struggle to achieve these results without professional-grade tools or experience, leading to future problems that could require costly repairs. Safety concerns. Window installation can be physically demanding and sometimes hazardous. Working with heavy glass panes, sharp tools, ladders, and electrical components presents safety risks, especially for inexperienced DIYers. Professionals are trained in safety protocols and have the proper equipment to handle these risks safely. They also carry insurance to protect themselves and your property in case of accidents. For your safety and that of your family, hiring a professional reduces the chance of injury or damage during the installation process. Cost considerations. At first glance, DIY window installation seems like the cheaper option because you avoid labor costs. However, hidden expenses can quickly add up. Mistakes may require purchasing replacement materials, hiring professionals to fix errors, or increased energy bills due to poor installation. Professional installation involves upfront labor costs, but the investment ensures the job is done right the first time, with warranties and guarantees. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to validate their product warranties. In the long run, professional installation often provides better value by preventing problems and extending the life of your windows. Warranty and insurance benefits. When you choose professional window installation in Redmond, you typically receive a warranty on both the windows and the installation work. This coverage provides peace of mind and financial protection if defects or installation issues arise. DIY installations usually void manufacturer warranties and leave you responsible for any repairs. Additionally, insurance claims related to damage caused by improper installation may be denied if the work was not done by licensed professionals. Expertise in local building codes and permits. Redmond has specific building codes and regulations for window installation to ensure safety and energy efficiency. Professional installers are knowledgeable about these requirements and handle permitting, inspections, and compliance for you. DIY installers must navigate these regulations on their own, risking fines or having to redo work if it doesn't meet code. Conclusion. While DIY window installation may appeal to handy homeowners looking to save money, the complexity, time, safety risks, and potential for costly mistakes make professional installation the smarter choice for most Redmond residents. Professional installers bring expertise, speed, safety, and warranty protection that ensure your new windows perform optimally and last for years. By investing in professional window installation, you protect your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency while enjoying peace of mind. If you're considering window replacement, consult with a trusted local professional in Redmond who can guide you through the selection and installation process, helping you make the best choice for your home and family.